gonna go check out this goat cheese farm. Very excited. We are at a goat cheese oasis. What do we got?
We got 11 cheeses. So we're gonna start in this corner, guys, and then we'll go one cheese at a time all the way to the other side. They're gonna get stronger and sharper and harder, but we'll start off super easy. So Chevy Provence, guys, it's got thyme, tarragon, rosemary, and lavender, and it's gonna taste like turkey dinner and stuffing.
It does! It actually does. I love it.
So the next one, guys, is just plain. And for the plain, it is a little boring on its own, you know? It's plain cheese.
Goat cheese is never boring. Watch your mouth though.
But just on the whole, you know, for salads, cheesecake, lots of good stuff. And looking at these compotes in front of you, that is what you get to try it with today. You got tart cherry almond, big brandy vanilla, caramelized onion and balsamic, or the big apple walnut. Heavenly is in this purple package, and it's going to taste a little bit like white wine, but it's creamy, it melts in your mouth, and it is a little stronger, so do with it.
I like it.
Trying next, guys, is not blue cheese on the outside. It has an ash coating from France. So it's vegetables there, not blue cheese or mold.
So how do you tell when it goes bad?
Well, you can't.
Oh, okay.
You are eventually going to start smelling it and stuff. These 4 cheeses are naturally ripening. In your fridge, they're going to get stronger, creamier, and smellier all the time. So they do have the expiration dates on the bottom, but if you think some looks a little off, you're more than welcome to cut it off and keep the rest. These cheeses are good.
Okay.
So this is Shabby Shoe.
Sounds Asian.
Very French.
Chevy shoes. That sounds. We got some Asian sounding cheese. Right? I was like,
Shabby Shoe should have been the strongest one. I used to say a great joke. I'd be like, you know, it's not too shabby. So,
no. Oh.
I don't say it often.
Here all week, brothers.
We're doing the Patriarch, which is a Swiss variety called Gruyere. We use it for panini sandwiches here, which are great, but you bring it home for macaroni and fondue.
You make sandwiches here?
Yeah. We got paninis with Patriarch and our feta.
I might gotta do some of that.
You're interested?
And ice cream.
They take about 8 minutes on the press, so the earlier you let us know, the earlier we can put it in.
Oh my god, we gotta do a sandwich just for the video.
Patriarch.
Oh,
right
sorry.
beside it. No worries.
This is Patriarch and Matriarch.
Yeah, Patriarch and Matriarch. Yeah, pretty close. This is way different. It's harder, sharper, nuttier. It's really good as a grating cheese though. So think spaghetti or Caesar salad. Garnish, yeah, maybe an Asiago.
What are we doing here now?
Smoked caramel, just right beside it there. This is our cheddar style with hickory oil. So you gotta think barbecue burgers and hot dogs. It's nice French onion soup cheese as well. But it's got a little smokiness to it, so good for that.
I'm loving all of that. This one is different than all the others, I gotta say.
Cleanser pad, salty, crumbly, drink salads and stuff.
That's what it is. Oh man, so much good stuff. I will get a cheese sandwich. Which one do you recommend?
Yeah, honestly, they're all great. I love the
Get
feta
something with
because it's super
pesto.
salty. Yeah, number 1 or 2 for sure.
Oh, Gruyere. I gotta do that.
Gruyere?
Because that just sounds like. Wait for this.
Cheese panini there for yourself.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, look at this. What makes it different than just like the regular cow's milk cheese?
Cow's milk? Goat's milk is lower in milk fat content, and it has a completely different style of lactose. So if you have a lactose allergy or issue, or you're intolerant, you can have all this cheese, because statistically, according to the Canadian Food, 90% of people can have goat's milk product. So
Oh, this $2 is the best $2 I've ever spent in my life. Right? I'm like, I gotta say, you are underpricing, my friend. Like, but to change it after we leave. Yeah, after we leave, you can up it.
I have cheese made of
We were
you.
waiting all day for y'all. Thanks for the ice cream. We didn't see these guys coming up.
I don't know where you guys were before.
They heard us. I wonder if they eat like goat cheese.
So, but they drink each other's milk, I'm sure.
You know what I'm saying?
Meh.
Okay. Joanne speaks goat.
I do. I said goodbye.
Look, they were not here when you kept. Look at this view. Look at this view.
World, dude, or a chipmunk. It's something weird. Doesn't look like a chipmunk, right?
What went away? So is the, you know the ones with the rams? Is that like a ram? Like
You mean the ones with the horns?
yeah,
Really horns? I think those are just older, aren't they?
the ones with like the the
Maybe
goatees.
Maybe those are men, and the one with without the facial hair is women.
This is Jen and Joe commentary. So come to the goat farm where we don't know what's going on, but
You don't even know if it's a chipmunk.
look at this. But these goats are following us. See, they are totally following us. This is the most fun they've had all day. Goodbye. So good.
Soon you'll be famous. She's just starting out. Give it 10. Yeah. Give it 10 years and you're gonna be all over the place. I don't know.
This will be number 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.